we say trick or treat?
Smell my feet. Give me something good to eat.
I want candy. Say, Jordan, say.
That's right.
My bucket.
Is that your bucket?
My bucket.
Is that your bucket? What are you for Halloween? Jordan? Jordan? What are you dressed as? Are you a clown? Turn that off. She's transfixed. Jordan?
Robin.
Daddy turned it off. Are you a clown?
No, Daddy, no.
Jordan, are you a clown?
No.
Are you a clown?
For Halloween?
Oh.
You gonna go trick or treat?
Look. Look
Look.
at my wings.
Look at your face.
No, Mama, no.
Mama
No,
color on his
baby.
face?
Yeah. You're bad.
Uh-huh.
You're bad.
No, that's not bad. That's funny. That's funny.
A clown. That's what
It's a clown.
You're funny.
Yeah, say trick or treat.
Here, let me take a picture of you and Mommy.
I,
She's dressed
Are you
like
gonna
Mommy.
say trick or treat?
I'm a clown.
You're a clown, that's right.
Yeah.
You need ears? Big ears?
Yeah.
We don't have any big ears. But you got a hat.
You're my hat.
Uh-huh. And you've got a bucket.
Here we go. We'll put it in.
Candy.
Wanna go get some?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go trick or treat.
Gonna go get some trick or treat candy?
Yeah.
Okay, you gonna go with Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay. Say happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Wave bye-bye to Mama. Wave bye-bye to Mama.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I don't know. I want a candy.
Okay, go get some candy. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Mommy.
When are they closing it?